In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a hyperlink to a file in a PowerPoint presentation, step by step, so you can make your slides more interactive and professional. This is a super useful trick if you want to link to a PDF, Word document, Excel file, or any other file right from your slide deck. It's quick, easy, and once you know how to do it, you can use it over and over again in future presentations. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple PowerPoint tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and go to the slide where you want to add the link. Now select the text, image, icon, or shape that you want people to click on. This can be a button style shape, a word in your slide, or even a picture, depending on how you want your presentation to look. Once you've selected the item, press Ctrl K on your keyboard, or you can go up to the Insert tab and click Link. This opens the Hyperlink window. In that window, look for the option that says Existing File or Web Page. Click it, because this is the option that lets you link directly to a file on your computer or a file location you've saved. Next, browse through your folders and select the file you want to link. Make sure it's the correct file, because when someone clicks the link during the slideshow, this is the file that will open. After selecting the file, click OK to confirm. PowerPoint will now attach that file link to the text, image, or shape you chose, and that's really all there is to it. To test it, start your slideshow and click the linked item. If everything is set up correctly, your file should open right away. This is a great way to share supporting documents, handouts, references, or extra resources directly inside your presentation. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next PowerPoint tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.